So this morning was a 4 o'clock start. I am heading to London today. I am doing some WhatsApp advanced training on high level CRM with a lovely gentleman called Chris Dillon, who is the same guy that's done the university training officially on high level for WhatsApp. So really looking forward to today. Then staying overnight. England are playing football tonight, and we'll find out if we're in the World Cup final with Spain. And then I am getting my new passport tomorrow so that we can go to the Philippines to the high level event in Manila. So see how the day goes. So just arrived at Waterloo. Now we're going to go to Bond Street. I don't think I've ever seen a flat escalator on the underground before. So we're in Waterloo now, just heading to the Jubilee line. Okay, here we are, Jubilee line, this way. Jubilee line here. We're at Waterloo, we need to go to Bond Street, westbound to Bond Street. Oh, look at that timing. Absolutely perfect. Cool, so just did about an hour and a half work in a little cafe. Now it's just going to come up to the venue now. This particular event, and should be exciting. Okay, it looks like this is the venue for 37. Let's go and check it out.
We scheduled our second. I have no idea what the match play from.
So we just finished the day with Chris Dillon with his WhatsApp marketing course inside of High Level, and it's simply incredible. Really cool stuff that you can do. We've obviously learned a lot, which we'll relate to all of our clients as well. And WhatsApp marketing, I've been saying for years, is absolutely key. It is the top way of marketing. Today has absolutely confirmed that as well. Next, we've got England football versus Argentina. So I'm going to be staying here with Chris and the team for that. And I will see all of you soon. I'm super excited to roll out some of the stuff that we've been shown by Chris today for my clients to help them grow on their journey using high level to grow their business.